Yes, I'm Roman, and today we are doing a food reaction video. Well, a drink reaction video, and today we'll be trying the Japanese beer Asahi. It's a dry beer. I have no idea what that means. Can a beer not be dry? So would it be wet?
Are you stupid?
Anyways, I'm super excited to try it. And if you have not seen the video where I tried the Japanese sake, you may watch it here. What is the alcohol percentage? It says 5.2%. I am not a beer expert. I don't drink beer in general, so I have no idea what this is. You see the bubbles? It's almost like champagne, where you can see the bubbles, and here's the white foam. To be honest, it smells like Red Stripe beer. I don't even know if all beers smell the same. Well, super dry. Well, it tastes like beer. It tastes like beer. I don't get why. I don't understand why they say it's super dry. What does that mean? As with wine, dry simply describes the opposite of sweet. Specifically, a dry beer is one that is well attenuated. The yeast did a very thorough job consuming the sugars in the brew and didn't leave much to lend sweetness to the final beer. Basically, dry beer is a type of beer with a crisp finish, light body, and little to no sweetness. Well, this just tastes like your regular beer to me. And in my throat, there's just this bitter taste. Personally, I don't like it. And it has nothing to do with the brand or this beer. It's just that I don't like beer in general. Just like coffee, I find coffee to be bitter. It's the same thing with this. And of course, I don't want to waste my money. I don't know what to think. It's just beer. The more I drink it, the more bitter it tastes in my throat. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to, as usual, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.